To use the GPT voice chat feature, click on your profile icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on settings, click on voice, and now you can select the voice you want. All you have to do is just click on either of these arrows pointing left or right.
Hi there, nice to meet you. I'm excited to help you get things done. Let's get
Hello, it's lovely to meet you. If there's anything you need, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm here to help.
So if you're satisfied with any of this, just go ahead and click on this cancel button here to exit from this pop-up screen. Now on the chat box, click on use voice, and now you can use it by just maybe saying hello.
Hello, and I'll be ready to respond. So if you're ready, I'm here.
Oh, cool. Nice to meet you. What's your name, by the way?
Nice to meet you. I'm called ChatGPT. Fancy name. I'm here to help with whatever you need. What can I do for you today?
So I'm trying to make a video for my users, showing them how to use GPT voice feature. I hope you can actually help with that.
Of course, no problem. As I'd love to help you with your video. Just want to know a bit more, like what kind of steps do you want to show your audience? For example, do you want to turn it on, give examples of prompts, or just walk them through different ways they can use it?
Yeah, maybe just different ways they can use it.
That sounds great. So you could walk them through a few different scenarios, like how to use it for casual conversation, how to ask it for advice, maybe brainstorming ideas, and also how it can help with creative tasks like scripting or planning videos. Then you could just demonstrate each one step by step so they can see how it works in real time.
Oh, cool. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. If you need any more ideas, structure it, just let me know. I'm excited to see how it turns out.
Cool. Thank you.
Of course. I'm really glad I could help. If anything else comes up making it, or if you need some feedback, just give me a shout. Good luck.
If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.